Letter number 19. Ghain. Ghain. Pronounced like a French R. Ra. Or like you're gargling. Ra. Ra. It looks exactly like Ain, except with a dot above it. Actually, it even connects to other letters in the same way. How about an example? Let's start where Ghain comes at the beginning of the word. Let's say Gharb, which means west. See how the upper curve remains, yet the dangling arm connects with the letter that comes after it. Here, in this case, it's Ra. Gharb. And just curious, how the French man or how the French person, would pronounce this. Gharb. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Another example. Let's make Ghain in the middle of the word this time. Sorry, that's a long word. Geografia. Geografia, which means geography. See, close, even close to geography, geografia. Sorry, the word is too long. Again, how would a French person pronounce this? Geografia. Well, tell me what you think, okay? Let's take another example. Okay, this time, how about an Arab country? Let's pick the one that did so great in the 2022 World Cup. You guessed it. Maghrib. Or actually, it's Al-Maghrib. Al-Maghrib. Morocco. Morocco. The Lions of the Atlas. And how would the French... Okay, don't get me wrong. Just kidding. If you're French, you're awesome. I love you. And yes, you should learn Arabic. You're gonna love it. Okay, no, wait. We didn't see a word where Ghain comes at the end of the word. Okay, how about this one? Daghdagha. A verb. Daghdagha. Which means he tickled. Tickled. Like kuchi kuchi goo. Daghdagha. Two ghains in this one. Now, why did ghain didn't turn into a knot in the middle of the word? Is because it's not connected to dal. Dal doesn't connect to the letter that comes after it. So this is as if ghain comes at the beginning of the word since it's not connected. As I promised in previous videos, there's gonna be a dedicated video about this subject, how letters connect with each other. This will make it easier for you for handwriting and things like that. But look at this word, daghdagha, he tickled. Okay? So, practice ghain. It's simple. If you practiced ain, the one in the previous video, you'll find it so simple, so easy, by the way. Just add the dot, okay? And different pronunciation, ra. It's easier than I believe. So tell me what you think in the comments about that. If you have any questions at all, comment immediately. Don't think twice. Comment any questions you might have. I'll see you in the next video.